Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off Chrome OS Developer Mode. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once the browser launches and you can see your main screen, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll notice three vertical dots there, which is your main menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. When you hover over it, you'll see a submenu expand to the side showing additional extension-related options. This Extensions menu is where you can manage all your browser add-ons and their settings. Next, from the submenu that appears, click on Manage Extensions. This will take you to a new page dedicated entirely to your browser extensions, where you can view all installed extensions and adjust their configurations. This page gives you full control over how your extensions behave and what permissions they have. Once you're on the extensions page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option that says Developer Mode. This mode is typically used by developers who want to test or load unpacked extensions, but if you don't need it, it's best to keep it turned off for security and performance reasons. Right beside the Developer Mode label, you'll notice a toggle button. This toggle controls whether Developer Mode is active or inactive. Simply click on this toggle button to turn Developer Mode off. When you click it, the toggle will switch to the off position, and Developer Mode will be disabled immediately. This means your browser will no longer allow unpacked extensions or developer features to run. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Chrome OS Developer Mode, making your browser more secure and streamlined for everyday use. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.